Vietnam's fast-growing economy and deep integration into global trade have created a strong demand for professional legal services. For foreign investors, establishing a law firm in Vietnam offers great opportunities to serve multinational clients, foreign invested enterprises, and cross-border transactions. However, the legal services sector is strictly regulated under the law on lawyers, making compliance essential from the very first step. Foreign law firms cannot be set up as regular foreign invested companies under the enterprise law. Instead, they must establish their presence under the law on lawyers, choosing between two models: 1. A 100% foreign-owned law firm, or 2. A joint venture law firm with a Vietnamese partner. Foreign firms may advise on international law and the law of their home jurisdiction. They may also provide consultancy on Vietnamese law, but only through Vietnamese qualified lawyers employed by the firm. Direct representation in Vietnamese courts, drafting or notarizing Vietnamese legal documents, and participating in litigation remain reserved exclusively for local Vietnamese law firms and lawyers. To operate legally, a foreign law firm must apply for a license for the establishment of a foreign law firm from the Ministry of Justice. This license replaces the standard investment registration process under the enterprise law. The license clearly defines the type of presence, 100% foreign-owned or joint venture, the permitted practice areas, and the name and address of the office in Vietnam. Only after obtaining this license may the firm proceed to register its seal, tax code, and staff with the relevant authorities. Foreign law firms may choose to open a branch or a representative office in Vietnam, depending on their intended activities. A representative office may conduct liaison, coordination, and business development but cannot directly provide legal services or earn revenue in Vietnam. A branch or foreign law firm with a full establishment license, however, may provide legal consultancy services in permitted areas, hire Vietnamese lawyers, and generate income. A foreign law firm must appoint a managing partner in Vietnam, who must be a qualified lawyer with at least 2 years of professional practice. If the firm intends to provide Vietnamese legal consultancy, it must employ Vietnamese lawyers holding valid practicing certificates issued by the Ministry of Justice. Each lawyer, whether Vietnamese or foreign, must register their practice with the Ministry of Justice and the local Department of Justice where the firm is based. The application dossier submitted to the Ministry of Justice must be carefully prepared. It includes the formal application form, a certified copy of the parent firm's establishment license, and an operational introduction describing the foreign firm's activities. For joint ventures, information on the Vietnamese partner is required. Other documents include the list of lawyers, copies of lawyer cards, managing partner's CV, draft charter, and a valid office lease in Vietnam. Vietnamese law does not impose a fixed statutory capital requirement for law firms. However, the firm must demonstrate sufficient financial capacity consistent with its proposed operation scale. The office must be located in a commercial building or business license premises and fully comply with professional confidentiality standards. Virtual offices are not acceptable for law firms under current regulations. After establishment, the foreign law firm must maintain professional ethics, submit annual activity reports to the Ministry of Justice, and update its list of practicing lawyers. The firm must also comply with the Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct for lawyers, ensure confidentiality of client information, and respect Vietnamese sovereignty and legal system boundaries. Violations such as providing services outside the licensed scope, employing unregistered lawyers, or engaging in prohibited acts may result in administrative penalties or revocation of the establishment license. The establishment license is typically valid for 5 years and can be renewed upon application. Each year, the firm must file an activity report with the Ministry of Justice summarizing its staff, services, and compliance status. Timely reporting and renewal are essential to maintain good standing and avoid penalties or suspension. At LTS Law, we assist international law firms and foreign lawyers in navigating Vietnam's legal framework for market entry. Our services include advising on the appropriate establishment model, preparing and filing the application dossier with the Ministry of Justice, liaising with authorities, and ensuring full compliance with Vietnamese professional regulations. Our bilingual legal team provides practical, accurate, and efficient support throughout the process. Don't let complex legal requirements prevent your legal practice from entering Vietnam. Contact us today or visit lts.com.vn for your free consultation. Your law firm will be established legally, smoothly, and ready to serve clients in Vietnam's dynamic and rapidly expanding legal market.